Sometimes it's useful to create random data. Here I'll show you two methods of doing that. To start, you'll need a data set that has 1,000 rows, with a 1 in each row. Next, drop a transform onto that import, place the row through, hit OK, and then merge back to the import. Connect the two reference columns and drag down. Now, instead of having 1,000 rows to work with, we have 1,000,000. Now drop a transform onto the merge and drag down the reference. Here comes the distinction depending on what kind of random data you want. If you want an evenly distributed random data, simply click the plus, title the column rand, and put the rand function into the function bar. As you can see by the histogram, Liza has produced an equally distributed random data set. If instead of this you'd like a normal data set, it's a little bit more complicated. Add a new column and label it A, and put rand in the function bar. Add another new column, titling it B, and put rand in its function bar as well. Next, build C, D, and finally your rand column. In C, put equals square root of -2 times the natural log of A. In D, put equals 2 times pi times B. And in your rand column, put C times cosine of D. Now, to check, drop a chart onto the transform, select a histogram, and drop the rand into metrics. If you go to a high big bin count, you'll see that Liza has produced a perfectly normal data set.